Hi everyone, we are FindUp. Did you know that Indonesian startup has grown by 9.38% from the last 2 years with the exact amount of 2,566 in the last July 2024. According to Kemenkominfo, Indonesia has 1,300 startups in the program 1,000 Startup National Movement, but only 10% have survived. According to Capchase, that is just there is top four reason why the startups didn't long lasting. In the first place, it's lack of financing or investors. With in second place, running out of cash, followed by lack of market demand and poor timing. Lastly, people problems, clashing between leadership, teams, and investors. In fact, there is 74% of companies hire the wrong people, and 67% of workers realize their job is not suitable for them, and it takes 8 to 26 weeks just to process and identify potential candidate. From a new career builder survey, they're describing a bad hiring process didn't produce a quality of work, and mostly worker lack of abilities they claim to have when hired.
Startups face major challenges including high failure rates, funding difficulties, and talent mismatches. With high marketing performance and harmony, FindUp helps startups build strong teams and reach their full potential. Next, let me introduce our team. FindUp, a collaboration of experts from diverse fields, including mobile development, machine learning, and cloud computing. Under the guidance of our mentor, Catur and Sidi Parmana, we are committed to delivering innovative solutions to address the challenges in Indonesia's startup ecosystem. Next. FindUp is an app designed to strengthen Indonesia's startup ecosystem. We connect tech talents with startup founders through a platform powered by machine learning. Our goal is to foster collaboration, innovation, sustainable startup growth, while simplifying the process of finding the right talents and building cohesive teams. Next.
At FindUp, we aim to create a platform that serves as bridge between tech worker and startup owner in Indonesia. By addressing the challenge of connecting skilled professional with entrepreneurial visionaries, we strive to empower innovation and growth in the startup ecosystem. To achieve this objective, we focus on three key areas. First, strength collaboration. Second is encouraging innovation, and lastly, empowering sustainability growth. To support our main goals and objective, we have MVP and additional feature. At FindUp, we focus on understanding user profile and their preference. By analyzing this data, we aim to provide a robust resume rating system that helps startups as efficiently identify the most suitable candidates.
Collaboration between learning paths, there's way of it, cloud computing, machine learning, and algorithm development. Next, our cloud architecture, as you can see, our architecture can be said as monolith architecture. For compute service, we use two kind of it. First is cloud run. This is where mostly computation tasks performed. Next is cloud function. It is for reshaping and transforming data for later to be used when performing model execution. For storage solution, we use two kind of it. First is cloud storage is for storing a binary like data, and next is cloud SQL is for relational database for our main data. For continuous integration and deployment, we use GitHub as repository for our test code, and Cloud Build for building an app and deploying into Cloud Run or Cloud Function if applicable. For supporting service, we use PubSub as message broker. It acts like a staple for our cloud services. Next is our machine learning. We use to model, each of it have their own tasks. First uploaded city will be parts. It will be handled by cloud function before. After reshaping and transforming data, the data will be inputted into a model. First model is scoring CP. The output will be plot between 0 to 100. Of course, it's based on skill, certification, degrees, and work experiences. Next model is tech similarity. This model recommend the most relevant startup project for candidates based on their CV. Next is model development. We use several libraries. They are Retrofit, Datastore, JSON, JUnit, and Espresso, Fragment, Logging, Navigation, Circle, Image View Glide, Lifecycle, and View Model.
Indonesia is experiencing a startup boom. According to data books by Pradana and Compass.com, the number of startups has grown by 9.38%, which makes Indonesia is sixth country with the most startup. While this growth brings opportunities, it also introduces challenges. Let's look at the numbers. Over 2,566 startups in Indonesia as of July 2024. 18% failed due to poor team dynamics, ineffective leadership, and low employee engagement. These failures lead to high turnover rates, impacting company culture, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Currently, there's no platform effectively bridging tech workers and startup founders in Indonesia. Introducing FindUp, a comprehensive platform that bridges the gap between tech talent and startup founders. Our most advanced feature, CV scoring. This feature provides a score that influences how project owners view potential collaborators, ensuring that the best talent stands out for the right opportunities. Growth your career up with FindUp.
FindUp stand out with 100% feature originality, while competitors have only 50%. These features are designed to meet the needs of startup and local tech community, providing added value for users. Next slide. And for the next slide, we will discuss the SWOT analysis of our Capstone product. FindUp is a platform that bridges tech talent and startup using AI-driven solution to foster collaboration and innovation. Our strength lies in efficient matching people with opportunities to face challenges like the competition and needing strong partnership. With with Indonesia growing startup situation and the rise of AI, there big chance to grow. However, we need to handle challenges like economic change and regulation. Next slide.
We focus on making FindUp easy for startups to find the right people and for tech workers to find opportunities. Our platform target tech workers, startup founders, requirement professionals, and government bodies, all while supporting innovation and collaboration for long-term success. And next, FindUp's marketing strategy connects tech talent with startup founders in Indonesia. The approach leverages the business model canvas. We focus on key segments, share success stories, and optimize CEO for better visibility. Personalized communication and beta testing improve user experience, while cost-effective digital marketing keeps the expense low.
And this is our action plan for several years. The first year, establishment and platform development. The second year, user base expansion and community building. The third year, AI integration. The fourth year, regional growth and partnerships. The fifth year, consolidation and innovation. Okay, guys, just wait for FindUp to release. If you have any question, let us know by contacting us. And thank you for attention. Like our tagline says, grow your career with FindUp. Bye.